Hi, and welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for September 2014. If you'll give me about 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. Here is a chart showing our market action index for the 5 counties that make up the bulk of the St. Louis real estate market on the Missouri side of the river. And those counties would be St. Louis County, the black line on top, St. Charles County, represented by the green line, St. Louis City, represented by the orange line, Jefferson County, yellow, and Franklin County, blue. Our market action index is just a quick indicator of the market and whether that particular market is a buyer's market or a seller's market. And you can see that the trend over the past quarter for all the counties, with the exception of the yellow line, Jefferson County, the trend has been downward. Now, Jefferson County has actually been trending upward. So as they trend downward, they're moving towards buyer market territory. Anything above a 30 is a seller's market, below a 30 buyer's market. So St. Louis City and County, as well as St. Charles County, all remain in seller's market territory, and Franklin and Jefferson County remain in buyer's market territory. However, Jefferson County has climbed up there and is getting closer to becoming a seller's market. Here's a chart showing the same period, the past 3 months, for price per foot for those 5 counties. And you can see basically the prices are about the same on a sale price or price per foot of the home. You can see there's a little increase kind of midsummer and starting to taper off a little bit. Here's our list showing the top 15 sellers markets, and again, this is based upon our market action index. So the chart before was showing it at the county level. Now we've drilled it down to identified neighborhoods that are sellers markets. You can see currently the hottest market in terms of being a sellers market is Valley Park with a 45. So it's halfway between a balanced market of 30 and the hottest it could be is 60. So Valley Park, Glendale, Grover, Rock Hill, Chesterfield, Baldwin, and so forth. Those are all sellers markets. At the other end of the spectrum, buyers markets, we have the coldest market, if you would, is Villa Ridge, Cedar Hill, New Haven, St. Albans, Washington, Wentzville. One thing you see here, and this has been true for quite a while, most of the colder markets, the markets that are still buyers markets, they are outside of St. Louis County, a lot of Franklin County, and some Jefferson County. Then you can see there are about 3 zip code areas of the city of St. Louis that have become a buyer's market too, including the 63108 zip code of the city, Central West End, and it has not been on there until just recently. Here's some stats from the MLS. Again, for this 5-county area, showing year-to-date data for the current year, as well as where the prior 4 years were at this same time point, or point in time. And you can see for active listings, the green bars there, number of listings is way down, and expired listings would be down as well. Pending sales, you can see our year-to-date pending sales on the right there for 2014 is lagging behind where it was this time last year. However, we're still well ahead of the years prior to that. The dark blue bars at the lower left corner here, those are the number of closed sales year-to-date. Once again, this year's lagging behind. Average list price, the teal bar is about the same. Sold prices, the pink bars there, sold prices are up. So basically a sluggish market. We're just not able, we got some momentum going last year, but in terms of volume, just not able to sustain it, although prices are up. Here's some more specific detail on those MLS stats. This shows the month of August for both the year ago, 2013, comparing it to the current year, August 2014, and then the change. And you can see in every category, for the most part, it's down. The number of available listings is down 25% this month from this time, same month a year ago. Pending sales down, closed sales down, expired listings down. And then in the center column there, it shows the year-to-date through August 2014 versus year-to-date through August 2013. And once again, you can see everything is down. And then the prior 12 months. So from August last year to August now, how are we doing? And you can see everything's down. What's driving a lot of this is the number of listings being down 25% or whatever, a lot less inventory, which without the inventory it's hard to have the sales. Plus we still have somewhat of a shaky economy, which is probably making buyers a little bit nervous. Plus one of the reasons inventory is low is we still have an awful lot of people in St. Louis that have mortgages on their homes that are just too high. They just don't have enough equity in their homes to be able to afford to pay the cost of selling their home and relocating into a new home. And here's some more stats on the closed sales. And just again, basically shows that the number of sales closed this year or this month of August compared to last year is down, and as well as year to date. Here's our 10-year price trend. I always like to take a look at this and just see what's happened in the past 10 years. The blue line on top is the median list price for the 5-county area. The green line is the median sales price. And we are up. A couple of years ago, we were a lot of areas were running about the same as they were 10 years ago. But 10 years ago in 2004, the median price, sales price was $141,900. 2014, so far it's $150,000. So it's about a 5.7% increase in the past 10 years. So that takes into account the dip that was in between. And there you have it. Just remember when you're looking for homes, check out St. Louis's best home search site, which is stlouisrealestatesearch.com, stlouisrealestatesearch.com. Remember, too, if you have questions, you want more info, you can give us a call at 414-6000 or visit stlre.com. Also, you can find out the value of your home or any other home in the country in under a minute going to stlouishouseprices.com, stlouishouseprices.com. For all of this weekend's open houses in St. Louis, visit St. Louis's most popular open house site, stlouisopenhouses.com, where we show all the homes open for the weekend. There's a little legal disclaimer, and hey, and remember, at More Realtors, we never charge a transaction fee. Many of the companies in town, in addition to commission on the selling side, have a transaction fee. We simply have sales commission, and for buyers, we have no fees. The sellers pay the commission, and you don't pay a transaction fee like you will many places. So give us a call and check us out if you would, 314-414-6000, or visit stlre.com. Thank you, and have a great day.